Okay, so it's time to find the perfect eyelight shade for you. So we have 3 different shades that we have got available in our eyelight, and our first shade is light. So if you are like me and you have lovely fair skin and you don't usually pick up too much of a tan, then our light shade is going to be perfect for you. Now if you are a little bit more tanner and basically you sort of fake tan a little bit more, but you're definitely more on that bronze side, you hold your tan all year round, then we would recommend for you to go for the medium shade. Now if you do have very dark skin and you have that sort of bit more of a blue undertone to the skin rather than the yellow, then the dark shade is going to be the best shade for you. So ladies, it's pretty simple. There's only 3 shades and you can't really get it wrong, because if you've got your Golden Glow and your Pearl Glow, you just add a couple of drops in just to customize those colors a little bit more for you when you need to. But yeah, it should be perfect for you otherwise. The consistency of them is really good and they tend to blend and match into the skin once they're on anyway. Just remembering too, when picking your eye corrector, you want it to be bright. So if you are borderline on any of the colors, just go for the lighter option, because that will give that more of a brightening effect for you. But if you are fair, then we don't really want to wash out that eye area too much, so the light shade is going to be perfect regardless. So if you're still not sure what shade I like to get, just reach out to us and we're more than happy to help. Perfect. Thanks very much, ladies. I hope that this helps.